Easy, not easy.
Yeah.
Wi-Fi, drop the beat now, man.
It's a laly boy. Young Immue. Siyabashaya banje.
She's my angel, she's so beautiful. She's my mentor, she comes from Malawi. Her name is Bibi, the month of a baby. Her name is Piri. She's a black woman looking pretty though. She's so special, meaning a lot to me. You say you know her, but you don't. Let me tell you who is she. She's my grandma.
My grandma.
She is my grandma. Grandma, the love of my life. Grandma, she is my grandma. Grandma, she taught me how to love. Grandma, I know I've done you wrong, but I wanna pay the price. I will sacrifice and even die for you. You mean a lot to me. You are the best mama. You say you love me, this make me cry. The studio is the only place that I can tell you I love you too. I'm so scared of losing a mother like you. That's why I keep on praying, asking the Almighty to watch over you, cause I still need you. She is my grandma. Grandma, the love of my life. Grandma, she is my grandma. Grandma, she taught me how to love. Grandma.
Matuthani yalwazi mntakama. Matuthani yalwazi mntakama. Njalo nyambunga nogogo mntakama. Matuthani yalwazi mntakama. Matuthani yalwazi mntakama. Mina nyambunga ugogo mntakama. Matuthani yalwazi mntakama. Matuthani mama.
She is my grandma. Grandma, the love of my life. Grandma, she is my grandma. Grandma, she taught me how to love. Grandma.
Yeah. It's a lot, boy. Young Immue. It's a Mankera Records.